Hey, this is Danielle, and today we're going to install some easy cabinet handles. Hey, so today I'm going to be installing knobs or handles on this door, and also on this one, and all of these for my she shed. So I'm going to show you how to use a template. So this is for doors, and you can line it up this way. I don't know if they range in sizes, but this is a 3/16 bit, which is what the handles I'm using required. These are the handles. And what I know is that I'm looking at this top, pretty much these and these for where I'm putting this. Now I can decide where I want it. So if I want to use this middle one, which is what I'm going to do, I think that's a good spot. I'm going to decide where I want that, and then I'm going to use that for all of my different handles. That way they're all consistent. So I went ahead and put the mark here and here so I can remove it. Now, if I did pencil, I could easily erase this, but I kind of know where I want this. So that is where my handle is going to be. So I can go ahead and drill these two holes with my drill bit. And then go ahead and install my handle. Okay, now I can come over here. I've got my screws for the back. And then go right through here. And here. I may actually have to remove this metal plate, I'm not sure. And then I can screw them in like this. Be tight, and there we go. Perfect. So now I just have to do this on all of the other handles. Now I had initially installed these. I don't like them, so I never continued installing them. So just ignore those. Those are a separate type of pull, or not pull. Those ones you're supposed to be able to do one of these, and frequently are kind of a pain. So I am going to be using these. I may uninstall those. I'm not sure yet, but it's a lot of work, so I may just leave them and whatever. So there we are. When you go to do your second row, you're going to notice it's a little different. So here we had it like this. So this one, we're just going to flip it, and it's going to go right here. Then when we go over to this side, I've got it here, and then I'm going to flip it again without dropping it, preferably. So I've got it here. So I've already got my marks made. I'm going to go finish the rest. And yeah, that's all there is to it. It's super easy. So if you can't tell, this was the 15-minute project that I was putting off for a year that I should have just done. Anyways, I'm going to go put them on the drawers too. I'll do a separate video for that because I know some people are looking for one thing or another. And yeah, so it doesn't need to be complicated. It's very easy to do. Don't overthink it. Just do it. Very simple. Alrighty, take care. Bye. Thanks so much for watching. Please visit my blog, 𝐥𝐢𝐤𝐤.com. Leave me a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel.